Act 1, Scene 3. Thunder into the Three Witches.
Where have you been, sister? Killing pigs. And you, sister, where were you? A sailor's wife had chestnuts in her lap and was munching away. Give me some, I said. Get away, witch, the fat rumped scoundrel cried. Her husband's gone to Aleppo, master of the Tiger. But I'll sail there in a sieve, and like a tailless rat I'll do, and I'll do. I'll give you a wind. You're kind. And I'll give you another. I have all the other winds myself, and the very ports they blow to, all the directions they know on the sailor's chart. I'll drain him dry as hay. He won't sleep night or day, he'll live a cursed life. For 77 weeks, 9 times 9, he'll waste away, weaken and pine. Though his ship won't be lost, it'll be tossed by tempests. Look what I have. Show me, show me. Here I have a pilot's thumb, wrecked as he was coming home. A drum, Macbeth is coming. Weird sisters hand in hand, travellers of the sea and land, thus we go round and round, thrice to yours and thrice to mine, and thrice again to make it mine. Peace, peace, the charm's wound up.
Enter Macbeth and Banquo.
I've never seen a day so foul and fair.
How far is it to Forres? What are these creatures, so withered and wild in their clothing that they don't seem like inhabitants of the earth, and yet they are? Do you live, or are you something that people can question? You seem to understand me, each of you laying a bony finger on your skinny lips. You should be women, and yet your beards make me doubt that you are.
Speak if you can. What are you?
All hail Macbeth! Hail to you, Thane of Glamis! All hail Macbeth! Hail to you, Thane of Cawdor! All hail Macbeth, who shall be king hereafter!
Good sir, why do you start and seem so afraid of things that sound so fair? In the name of truth, are you real or are you just a fantasy? You greet my noble partner with titles of present greatness and raw hope. He seemed entranced by all, but you don't speak to me. If you can look into the seeds of time and tell which grain will grow and which will not, then speak to me, who neither begs nor fears your favours or your hate.
Hail! 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 Lesser than Macbeth, but greater. Not so happy, but much happier. You will father kings, though you will not be one. So all hail Macbeth and Banquo. Banquo and Macbeth, all hail.
Wait, you imperfect speakers. Tell me more. By Sinel's death I know I'm Thane of Glamis, but how can I be Thane of Cawdor? The Thane of Cawdor lives, a prosperous gentleman, and becoming king is just as unlikely as becoming Cawdor. Where did you get this strange information? Or why do you stop us on this barren heath with such prophetic greetings? Speak, I command you.
Witches vanish.
The earth has bubbles, just like water, and these must be some of them. Where did they vanish?
Into the air, and what seemed like solid bodies melted away like breath into the wind. I wish they had stayed.
Were these things really here, as we were just talking about, or have we eaten some insane root that takes away our reason?
Your children shall be kings.
You shall be king.
And Thane of Cawdor too. Wasn't that what they said?
Exactly the same words. Who's coming here?
Enter Ross and Angus.
The king has joyfully received the news of your success, Macbeth. And when he reads about your personal feats in the battle against the rebels, he is amazed and full of praise, unsure which is greater, your achievements or his admiration. Silenced by your bravery, as he reviews the events of the same day, he finds you fighting in the ranks of the Norwegians, unafraid of the horrors you created. Messages came thick and fast, each one bringing news of your praises in defense of the kingdom, and they were heaped upon him. We are sent to give you the king's thanks and to bring you to his presence, but not to reward you. And as a token of greater honour, he asked me to call you Thane of Cawdor on his behalf. With that title, all hail, most worthy Thane, for it is yours.
What? Can a devil speak true?
The Thane of Cawdor lives. Why are you dressing me in borrowed robes?
The man who was the Thane still lives, but he's under a heavy sentence, bearing a life he deserves to lose. Whether he worked with the Norwegians, supported the rebels with secret help, or both, I don't know. But he's been overthrown by confessed and proven treason.
Glamis and Thane of Cawdor, and the greatest is yet to come. Thanks for your efforts. Do you not hope that your children shall be kings when those who gave me the Thane of Cawdor promised no less to them?
That might spur you on to seek the crown, besides the Thane of Cawdor. But it's strange, and often, to lead us to our doom. The forces of darkness tell us truths, win us with honest trifles, only to betray us in the most serious matters. Cousins, may I have a word with you?
They step aside.
2 truths are told as happy prologues to the main act of the imperial theme. I thank you, gentlemen. This supernatural temptation cannot be bad, but it can't be good either. If it's bad, why did it give me a glimpse of success beginning with the truth? I am Thane of Cawdor. If it's good, why do I find myself thinking about something so horrible that it makes my hair stand on end and my heart pound against my ribs? Present fears are less terrifying than what my imagination conjures up. My thoughts of murder, though still just fantasies, shake me so much that I'm not myself, and nothing is real except what isn't.
Look at our friend. He's lost in thought.
If fate wants me to be king, maybe fate will crown me without my help.
New honours come upon him like new clothes that don't quite fit until they're broken in with use.
Come what may, time and the hour pass through the roughest day.
Worthy Macbeth, we're waiting on you.
Forgive me, my mind was preoccupied with forgotten thoughts. Kind gentlemen, your efforts are recorded in my heart, where I turn every day to read them. Let's go to the king. Think about what's happened, and when we have more time, we'll share our thoughts with each other openly.
Very gladly.
Till then, enough. Come on, friends.
They exit.